Well, with this new plank flooring, there's always going to be this happening to where they're pulled apart. And of course this one will not go back together because the tongue has come out. So we're going to have to cut that tongue out of there. Or whatever the case may be, we've got to cut something out of there to slide it back together. So this is something that's going to be happening to this flooring if and when you ever decide to lay this stuff. Alrighty, put that one together. Now all we do over there against the cabinet, we'll just stick a little bitty small finish nail in there because it seems like that this is the side that's moving around. So that should stop it. And then if it opens up again, then we'll do the other side. But right now we're just going to take care of this side. And it's the same thing that happens when you've got a long piece that goes all the way across, but it's loose on the other side because it might be the dishwasher, it could be anything. So what we'll do is we'll put a little finish nail there too, keep that from moving around.